Expressions of love and how to write them. Love could be something simple as sharing a hug. Okay. You can just describe a hug and use your adjectives, your adverbs, use emotional textural language to make the hug sound cozy and cuddly and something that you'd want. That's one. Another way to express love is through narratives. Mm, in many cultures and societies, love is actually a lecture. That is also how you can express love in a book. You can use narratives to define love in that show don't tell format where the I love you is not mentioned, the hug is not written about, the gentle caresses of the fingers are left up to the imagination of the readers. All you have is maybe a lecture that translates to the reader as love. How would you write love?